How to extract records where all three columns have a value, name, marks and section is given, and we have to extract only those records where all three columns have a value, not blank records, right? How to do this? Equal to filter, press tab key, array. We have to extract data from this table, select this table, comma, bracket start, but name column record should not be blank, right? Here we will write name column range, then not symbol with blank bracket close, right? And same marks column record should not be blank. Here we will write marks column range, not symbol with blank bracket close, right? And same section column range should not be blank. Here we will write section column range with not symbol with blank bracket close. Press enter. See, output contains only those records where all three columns have a value, right?